Reynaldo San Pedro, substituted by his son Raymond San Pedro, versus spouses Angelito and Consuelo Trinidad. GR number 272300, April 7, 2025, 3rd Division. Opponent, Justice Gaerlan. Spouses Angelito and Consuelo Trinidad filed a forcible entry case before the NTC of Sta Rosa, Nueva Ecija, against Reynaldo San Pedro and others, alleging that they were owners of a 188.80 square m parcel of land in Valenzuela, Sta Rosa, Nueva Ecija, based on a deed of absolute sale with waiver of rights, DOS, executed by Reynaldo. They claimed Reynaldo and his cohorts forcibly entered the property in 2016. Reynaldo denied this, arguing that he had been in continuous possession since time immemorial, and that the spouses never had prior possession. The NTC dismissed the case, holding that the spouses failed to prove prior physical possession, as their claim was based only on ownership. On appeal, the RDC of Cabanatuan City ruled that the NTC had no jurisdiction, since the issue involved ownership and better right of possession, and thus treated the case as an acción publiciana under Rule 40, Section 8. It decided the case on the merits and ruled for the spouses Trinidad, ordering Reynaldo to vacate the property, since the notarized DOS proved ownership and the alleged loan transaction was unsubstantiated. Reynaldo filed a notice of appeal to the CA, but the CA dismissed it for being the wrong mode of appeal, ruling that under Rule 41, Section 2b, appeals from RDC decisions rendered in the exercise of appellate jurisdiction should be made by petition for review under Rule 42, not by notice of appeal. Whether the Court of Appeals correctly dismissed the case for improper mode of appeal? Yes. The Supreme Court upheld the CA's dismissal. The RDC's decision was rendered in the exercise of its appellate jurisdiction, since the case originated from the NTC and was elevated on appeal, even though Rule 40, Section 8 allows the RDC to try the case, as if originally filed before it. The court clarified that the RDC's jurisdiction remains appellate in nature. Therefore, the proper mode of appeal to the CA should have been by petition for review under Rule 42, not by notice of appeal. The filing of a wrong mode of appeal is a jurisdictional defect that warrants dismissal. The court reiterated that appeal is a statutory privilege, and parties must strictly comply with procedural rules. Petition denied. The CA's resolutions dated January 11, 2023 and February 7, 2024 are affirmed. The RDC's judgment ordering Reynaldo, and those acting on his behalf, to vacate the property stands, as the spouses Trinidad have the better right to possess the property. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more case digests.